Hey everybody! So I'm so excited to share with you my latest Candy Club box. And this is very exciting because this is a Valentine's kind of themed box. And I really like the way they are massively expanding the number of options that you have. And I feel like they're trying harder to allow you to pick sort of themed boxes. Like for a long time it was just sort of like random candy, but I feel like, yeah, you can get Valentine's candy at Valentine's, you can get Christmas candy at Christmas, which I kind of like that. So the Candy Club is a monthly subscription service that sends you candy, gourmet candy, every month. You can have it be a surprise or you can pick it out yourself. And so this one I picked out myself, and I'll show you what I got. And I always say, I think that Candy Club will make an excellent corporate gift for the same price as you could spend on flowers or for like Harry and David pairs or something like that. You could send 3 of these boxes. And so I think that it's a really good in that regard. And it looks very cute. You can see. Looks really cute. And the first item is really pretty. Like I said, they've just expanded quite a bit. And these are, this is from Long Grove Confectionery Company, and they are peanut butter melts with sea salt. Like my favorite thing in the whole world is chocolate and peanut butter. That's like my favorite combination. I love peanut butter. I love peanut butter and jelly. It's like a Reese's inside. It was really good. Dark chocolate and that salt kind of, I don't know, like adds an umami kind of flavor, and the peanut butter is really good. It's kind of light and moussey, really yummy. Some sour strawberries, little cute little gummy candies. And they have these cards that tell you more about what you got. And these are Vidal sour strawberries. And they're not too sour. They're not like stupid sour. But they have a nice, strong flavor. Yummy. Fresh strawberry taste dusted with a mouth-puckering sour sugar. These sour strawberry gummies are sure to become a household favorite. These are really good. I like it. Nice flavor. Then is from Jelly Belly. We have these adorable little sour hearts in pink and white and red. They're really, really, really cute. And it says, "Hello, love." Loaded with sweet, tart, fruity flavor, these precious little jellies make a big impression. So tasty, so cute. There's no way to not heart them. They really are pretty cute. They look really cute in like a little candy jar or something like that for Valentine's. And they're pretty sour. More sour than the strawberry, for sure. Jelly Belly candies always have really strong flavor, which is good. Okay, and then they have a candy that's a surprise that you don't pick out. It's along the edges. And this is some taffy, and it's called Sweet S'mores Taffy. How do you cram fluffy, melty, salty, sweet, Grammy, chocolatey goodness of s'mores into a piece of taffy? We don't know, but sweet sure does. So there you go. Let's try it. It really does kind of taste like a s'more. You get a little bit of the graham cracker taste, a little marshmallow taste, a little bit of the chocolate taste. It's kind of funny. It's yummy. Good. So there you go. That is this much Candy Club. It's pretty cool. If you're interested in subscribing, I'll have a link down and a code that you can get a discount on your Candy Club. I don't get paid for this review or anything. They just gave that to be nice. So check it out, and Thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!